Hello folks, it's the Wolfhunter. As you see before you, this is not CNR stuff. This is something new. A new project for me. A friend of mine gave me these and asked me to put them together because he doesn't have time. So, this will be the first time for me doing this, so I'm going to give him a shot. As you see, one's a pistol, one's a rifle. This one here is a Traditions Blunderbuss kit. Now I've looked at it and I'll open it up for you. Let me get it up here. Bear with me, folks. This is not your traditional blunderbuss that that you can put 5 pounds of shot and car parts and 10-pound bag of nails in. No, you'll see that this one, that's about it. That's about big as it goes. As big as it gets. Remember, the other ones look like a big giant coffee can on the end of it with a big barrel that you can put everything but the kitchen sink in it. He asked me to do these because he just doesn't have the time. And I said, what the heck? I'll give it a shot. As for the Rossi 68 Snubby, that's going to be way on the back burner. As for the Mauser side mount scope and mount that I was going to buy and put on the K98, if you saw my other videos, that is probably going to be indefinite. I'm having some financial issues, so I had to use up all my money that I've saved. Other than that, this is what I got going on. It's all cleaned out in the man cave, ready to start work on. Just keep updates, folks. Keep checking into the channel and see my progress on these. And if you like them, please give me that thumbs up. It would sure help me out. And those who not subscribed, that would really help me out. I appreciate it. Until next time, thanks for tuning in. And as always, God bless America. Watch your six, and I stand with the people of Ukraine.